Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Imagine stepping into your backyard on a cool evening, the glow of soft flames dancing in the distance, your favorite drink in hand, and laughter filling the air. Whether your outdoor space is sprawling or small, a well-designed fire pit can turn any yard into a cozy retreat you'll never want to leave. Today, we're diving into 7 irresistible backyard fire pit design ideas that suit any size yard, from minimalist styles to bold modern statements. So grab your marshmallows and let's light up some inspiration that will have you redesigning your outdoor space before the video ends. The minimalist fire pit. Let's start with the beauty of minimalism, because sometimes less truly is more. A minimalist fire pit is all about clean lines, uncluttered design, and subtle elegance. Picture a round concrete bowl nestled into gravel, or a sleek rectangular design surrounded by neutral-tone pavers. No flashy extras, just the glow of fire against a modern backdrop. This style fits perfectly into small yards, patios, or even apartment terraces with proper ventilation. Add a couple of low-profile chairs and a soft throw blanket, and you've got an effortlessly chic space that feels warm and intentional. Design tip: stick to materials like smooth concrete, matte black steel, or natural stone. Keep furniture low and neutral. Think earthy tones, light woods, and soft cushions. The string light fire pit. If you love that twinkling, fairytale glow, this one's for you. Combine a classic or rustic fire pit with a canopy of string lights overhead, and you've just created one of the most inviting atmospheres possible. Whether your yard is big or small, hanging lights between fence posts, trees, or pergolas adds height and depth to your outdoor space. The warm flicker of the fire below and the soft sparkle above, it's an instant mood boost. This idea is especially perfect for hosting guests. Think S. More's nights, wine under the stars, or just relaxing after a long day. Pro tip: opt for warm white Edison bulbs to keep things soft and cozy, not too bright or cold. Want to take it up a notch? Add lanterns and fairy lights woven through plants or around nearby seating. The modern black fire pit. Make a statement with a modern black fire pit, a design choice that adds instant sophistication and contrast to any backyard. Matte black metal or ceramic pits look striking against lush greenery or pale gravel ground cover. Pair it with angular furniture, black planters, or slate tiles for a cohesive modern edge. This look works beautifully in medium-sized yards or minimalist patios where you want your fire pit to be the focal point. Bonus: black surfaces highlight the golden flames, creating a dramatic contrast that's perfect for nighttime ambience and modern photography. Design pairing: surround your black fire pit with charcoal cushions, teak furniture, or polished concrete stools for a balanced modern feel. Before we move on, if you're loving these fire pit ideas so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and drop a comment below. Tell us, which fire pit style are you dreaming of adding to your backyard? Your support means the world and helps us bring more cozy design inspiration straight to you. The contemporary fire pit with lava rocks. Nothing says elevated outdoor luxury like a contemporary fire pit filled with lava rocks. These natural porous stones aren't just for aesthetics, they distribute heat beautifully and add a raw, textural element that's visually stunning. Place these lava rocks in a square or circular fire pit, and you've got a modern centerpiece that feels both earthy and refined. This is a fantastic option for backyards of any size, especially when paired with a modern sectional or built-in bench. It invites people to gather, talk, and relax without feeling over-designed. Mood maker. Add some succulents, desert-style landscaping, or low-profile LED lighting around the base to complete the luxe vibe. The wooden fire pit table. Blend function and beauty with a wooden fire pit table, the perfect balance between rustic comfort and cozy gathering space. These fire pits double as tables when not in use, making them ideal for compact yards, patios, or decks. Choose models with propane burners for ease and safety, and go for warm-toned wood like cedar, acacia, or teak to complement your outdoor furniture. The best part? When the fire isn't lit, the table is still a gorgeous centerpiece for serving drinks, playing cards, or holding a cozy fall vignette. Styling tip: pair your wooden fire pit table with cushioned outdoor armchairs, plaid throws, and lanterns for a cottage meets lodge atmosphere. Fire pit with built-in curved seating. There's something incredibly inviting about a fire pit wrapped in curved, built-in seating. It creates a sense of unity and intention, almost like the yard was designed around meaningful conversations. These setups are ideal for larger yards, but can also work in medium spaces if the scale is right. Use stone, brick, or wood to create the curved bench, and top it with plush weather-resistant cushions. Add a low-profile round fire pit in the center, and you've got the ultimate conversation circle. This design is perfect for family gatherings, wine nights, or roasting marshmallows in style. Pro touch: add subtle lighting under the seating or in the base of the fire pit for a resort-inspired glow. The long stone fire pit. Our final idea is bold, dramatic, and designed for entertaining: the long, rectangular stone fire pit. This type of pit stretches across a central area of your yard or patio, offering multiple seating zones and a linear flame that feels modern and expansive. Ideal for larger yards or modern patios, a long fire pit becomes the main attraction. Choose stacked stone or smooth concrete as your base, and pair with modular seating or loungers. This style is especially great for parties, outdoor dinners, or larger families who want a central zone for warmth and connection. Finishing detail. Install it over pea gravel, line the space with potted grasses or tall planters, and watch your backyard turn into a designer destination. From minimalist charm to bold modern statements, these fire pit ideas prove that any size yard can become a warm, welcoming haven. Whether you're drawn to twinkling string lights or crave the sleek look of lava rocks, there's a fire pit design that speaks to your style. So go ahead, gather your inspiration, sketch out your dream yard, and start building that cozy retreat right outside your door. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like, and drop a comment letting us know which fire pit vibe speaks to your soul. Until next time, stay warm, stay inspired, and enjoy every glowing moment in your beautiful backyard.